Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a Minecraft server. First is to open www.minecraft.net and click on the download under Buy Now. If you have Windows, you should choose this Minecraft server. Download it, just drag it out here. You should not run it on the desktop, it will be creating a lot of files that will fill everything. So I create a folder, folder, call it Minecraft server and put it in. I want it in here instead of on the desktop. You can see it's preparing the level world and it's creating all the other files. Just take some time. Just have to wait. Now it's done. I just minimize this and you can see it's creating the world, band EPs, players and so on. Now you need another program. It is Hamachi. The link is in the description. You just click on the download and follow the instructions. When you have it, it should look like this. Then you just turn it on. Before your friends can play with you on your server, you have to create a network. You can do it here as a create a new network. No. So, yeah. The network ID could be anything. Just I am awesome. And the password could be 123. That's all I want. Just man. Okay. Just give this network to your friends and the code, and they should just and so write the same thing. But yeah, you can see this your Hamachi ID. You can copy that by right clicking and copy EP v4. Click on this, and now open the Minecraft server. Go into the server, the properties file, open with Noteblock. I use Noteblock. Note. Yeah. Just a program like this. And on the server EP you just paste that in this line and save it, and that's all. You just need to open Minecraft. We just log in, and on the multiplayer you can add your server. Just go to Minecraft server and paste the same address. Now here it is. Just join. Now you have your own server. If you have any problems, you can just paste a comment, and good luck. Hope this tutorial helped, and over and out.